Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a refreshing rum cooler cocktail like a pro. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's go and jump in. Take a mixing glass and add 4 to 5 ice cubes. Now quickly pour 1½ ounces or 45 milliliters of white rum. After the rum, pour ½ an ounce or 15 milliliters of Cointreau or triple sec. After the Cointreau, pour 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of pineapple juice. Next pour 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of orange juice. And lastly pour 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of sweet and sour mix. Perfect! Now shake all the ingredients for 5 to 6 times. Awesome! Now take a Colin glass of about 14 ounces or 410 milliliters and fill it up with lots of ice cubes. Perfect! Now slowly pour the mixture straight into the glass. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. And please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. Perfect! The refreshing rum cooler cocktail is now almost ready. So garnish it with a slice of fresh pineapple, a mint sprig, and a beautiful cherry. Hi, I will be happy if you make this refreshing rum cooler cocktail at home and share your experience with me. Cheers! Have a great day. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching and drink responsibly.